This week, boys and girls, we're going to focus on two different things: how space technology and how space travel has changed over the years. So we're going to look at some early astronomers and some early technology and then how it's changed. We're also going to talk about the space industry and the impact that it's had here on Florida. I know that many of you have probably gone to Cape Canaveral and visited the Kennedy Space Center. So we're going to talk about the impact it's had on Florida's economy, or like our business and our money here, that is revenue that's brought into Florida just from that space industry. When we look at Monday's folder, you're going to read pages 139 to 145 in your science textbook. You are going to learn a little bit about early space travel, and you are going to complete this discussion board. In this discussion board, you are going to imagine that you are an early NASA astronaut. You are going to write like a journal entry about your experience. So pretending that you're an astronaut in space, make sure please that your entry is about 3 to 5 sentences. When we go into Tuesday, we will see that you are going to read pages 146 to 147 in your textbook. On these pages, you are going to learn a little bit more about Florida's role in space. There's a discussion board here, the Kennedy Space Center. So in this discussion board, you've now read about the Kennedy Space Center and the way that exploration has affected the economy and the culture of Florida. And I would like for you to list 2 ways that the Kennedy Space Center has affected Florida's economy. Now we're going into Wednesday. You are going to print or pull up and read this article on Cape Canaveral, and then you have some multiple choice and one short answer response question to respond to on Wednesday. Thursday, we're starting to wrap up our unit on space. You are going to print this Unit 3 study guide right here, and then you are going to follow along with a teacher that is going to complete the study guide in this teacher video. It is going to be very important, boys and girls, that you follow along very carefully, because on Friday, this is right before we go out for break, you have an opportunity to improve your grade in science here. You are going to use the study guide. So we are allowing you to use that study guide from yesterday to complete the Unit 3 test. If you have any questions, please let me know.